the continuation of last video. So if the I becomes now 0 to L times, so I becomes first index, 0th index, so Q of 0 will be printed in the beginning, then I will be incremented by one value here for I in range loop. You know already, you have already done so many programs in 11th standard and 12th standard. So this is a loop, it will be going on to be happen up to this L number of times, right? So up to that it will print all the elements in this Q. Q of 0, Q of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the elements will be printed off to the user's info. And now you see here, else if the user didn't press 1, 2, 3, if he press any other number or any other key in the keyboard, then we have to give the information that print wrong information or invalid key has been pressed, invalid operation, whatever the things we want to give as a info can be given over here. So if this loop will be again and again will be continued until it gets, do you want to continue, the value of this is no. Okay, if he is the thing, if he wants to continue, if he press again and again, if he press Y, then the same while loop will be repeated so many times until it gets no as the value. So this is what a program. So while answer is equal to Y, so if do you want to continue, if he press Y, it has to produce until he has to give no, until it gets no value. It will be going on looping, repeating so many times. That is what the program. Now let's see the function. Press F5. So one employee ID. Again, do you want to continue? Yes. Again, you want to press in choice push the element. Yes. Want to continue? Yes. Employee ID. Want to continue? Yes. Now display. So 3 elements has been already pushed off, right? The first element was 2002, right? Now if you are going to pop or deletion, I am just going to say 2. Okay, enter your choice pop. So the first element which has been given as the first number 2002 has been deleted off. This is what front element is deleted off. Again, if I want to add more element, I'm just going to say enter your choice push 1 element 7007. Okay, so yes, I want to display it. So 3, if you see, pushing element at the back. So pushing will be happening at the back and popping will be happening at the front. This is what the procedure of Q. Could you able to understand? So whenever if you want to add up any element to the Q, the rear position will be, rear numbers will be, now the number will be added up in the rear position. If we want to delete any element, the first element whichever in the Q will be deleted off. This is what the procedure you should understand. So you have to write down this coding and you should do it. Okay, then again I'm just going to make a dictionary of it. How to make the dictionary? Just I'm going to make the dictionary like this and appending the dictionary with this particular element, that is D. Again you are going to pop up that same thing. Okay, press F5. Again I'm just going to give enter your choice 1 employee ID, name, salary. You want to continue? Yes. Again you want to push yes. Now I want to display. See here. So these are all the dictionary values. Then ID has been given as the key. and these are all the values of the key, right? So name and salary, everything has been printed. So if you want to again